Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Mohammad Rafiqul Ahmed Robin. I am your science teacher, Standard 5, Campus 4, British Standard School. Before I start my lesson today, I want to say something about coronavirus. Coronavirus is a transmissible disease and it is spreading like an epidemic. To prevent from this contagious disease, we must stay home, stay clean. Together we can win the battle, inshallah. Let's move to our lesson today. Today I'll be explaining chapter 11, Earth, Sun and Moon. In this chapter we will be learn about solar system, Earth, Sun, Moon and eclipses. Okay. I am the largest planet. Who am I? It's Jupiter. Number 2. I am the planet with rings. Who am I? It's Saturn. Number 3. I am the blue planet. Who am I? It's Earth, our favorite planet. Number 4. The planet closest to the Sun. Who am I? It's Mercury. And then number 5. I am the planet from the Sun. I am the planet farthest from the Sun. Who am I? It's Neptune. Let's turn the page. Solar system. The Sun and the celestial bodies that revolve around it form the solar system. Apart from the planets, there are also comets, asteroids, satellites of various planets, and dwarf planets in the solar system. A satellite is a celestial body that orbits a planet. All planets revolve around the Sun in a fixed path called orbits. Increasing distance from the Sun, the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto, which was earlier considered a planet, was placed in a separate category called dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union IAU in August 2006. Let's see some other dwarf planets. Ceres, Eris and Pluto are also dwarf planets. Let's move to our favorite planet, Earth. The Earth is different from all other planets in the solar system. It has water, air and soil. There is a blanket of air around the Earth called the atmosphere, which protects it from harmful ultraviolet rays of the Sun. The surface of the Earth has various features such as oceans, rivers, mountains and valleys. Let's turn the page. The internal structure of the Earth. According to scientists, the Earth is not a uniform solid sphere. It consists of different layers. These layers are called crust, mantle, and core. Let's look at the picture properly. The surface of the Earth is the crust. Just under the crust is mantle, and the center of the Earth is formed by the core. Let's move to let's remember, which is fill in the blanks. Number 1. All planets revolve around the Sun in a fixed path called dash. The answer is orbit. Oceans and continents lie on the dash. Answer is crust. And then number 3. It is from the dash the molten magma comes out when a volcano erupts. The answer is mantle. Number 4. the dash form the center of the earth? The answer is core. Number 5, it is there are lots of dash in the mantle of the earth. The answer is iron. Let's turn the page. The sun. The sun is the star that is closest to the earth, about 150 kilometer, about 150 million kilometers away. It is a huge ball of hot and burning gases. The sun has a thin layer of atmosphere called the corona. It is this corona that we sometimes see during a solar eclipse. Dear students, this corona is not the coronavirus. This corona is the atmosphere of the sun. Let's go to the spherical sun has a diameter of about 1,392,000 kilometers. The sun is so big that a million Earths could fit into it. But it is still considered small because the stars are usually much larger. In fact, the sun is also a dwarf star. The sun is made up of mainly hydrogen and a gas called helium. At the center of the sun, hydrogen changes into helium. This process releases a large amount of heat and light energy. It is this light and heat that we receive on Earth. The solar energy is the most important source of energy for man. It is almost inexhaustible. Inexhaustible means something that will never finish or get completely used up. Okay, now go to the fact file. The temperature of the center of the sun is about 15 billion degrees Celsius, and on the surface of the sun is about 6,000 degrees Celsius. Let's move to the moon. The moon is also spherical like the sun and the planets. The moon is made up of rocks and has no air on it. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Its distance from the earth is about 384,400 kilometers. The moon does not have any light of its own. The moonlight we see is only reflected sunlight. Dear student, that's all for today. Before I signing off, I want to remind you once again, we are in lockdown situation, but our study is not lockdown. We must study at home. To prevent from novel coronavirus COVID-19, we must wash our hands regularly and stay clean. Bye bye from now on and see you with another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.